Hey everyone, buckle up, because today we're diving into the 2025 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that's turning serious heads this year. If you thought the Captur was stylish before, just wait till you see what Renault has done now. It's sharper, smarter, and more stylish than ever. And trust me, this one's going to make you rethink what a compact SUV can do. Let's start with the looks, because wow, the 2025 Captur comes with a bolder front fascia, redesigned LED headlights, and a sleeker grille that gives it a more premium stance. The new color options, especially the dual tone schemes, look seriously classy. The sharp body lines, sculpted rear, and those floating roof vibes, chef's kiss. Under the hood, while official numbers aren't out yet, we're expecting a refined hybrid or mild hybrid setup, likely paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Renault's aiming for fuel efficiency with enough punch for city and highway drives. Expect a balanced performer. The 2025 Captur is expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025, with prices starting around $24,000 to $27,000, depending on the trim. So, what do you think of the all-new Captur? Sleek or what? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews coming your way. Catch you in the next one.